ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय कान्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यक पेज नंबर 500। 500 pages we have completed in Brihadaranyaka with Bhashya Tika Tippani on Ekadashi Day. Tika. So the Akhyayika we saw, Rajaputra is there, but he is brought up as Vyadha Putra. It Vyadha Griha. So his Pratyaya is Aham Vyadha, not Aham Rajnyaha Putra. Then somebody teaches him, instructs him that you are not Vyadha. Now, Dashtanta, in that some information is given, some instructions are there. See, third line from the bottom. Jivasya parasmad vibhage nimittam ajnanam tat karyam cha prasiddham iti dyotaitum kila iti uktam. Jivasya parasmad vibhage. When we say Visfulinga Drishtanta, from the Agni Visfulinga came out. Okay. From Paramatma Jiva came out. What is the nimitta for Jivas to come out of Paramatma? Ajnanam, Tat Karyancha, both. What will be the Karyam? Kama Karma. Bhojan, that is why you should eat so that Acharya can hear. Avidya Kama Karma, this is the nimittam cha prasiddham. Iti dyotaitum kila shabda. Kila is for that purpose. Tad jati tad swabhavo vastutah paramatma eva. Jiva is tad jati, means paramatma jati. And tad swabhava, his swabhava is also paramatma swabhava. Paramatma jati means there is no jati here as in nyaya jati, because there is only one paramatma. But if you take so many Chidabhasa and one Chaitanya, still Chaitanya jati you can take it. Janma. In Gauna Artha, you will have to take Janma. Jati as Janma. Then, because you will have to explain if Janma is there, then Samasa is possible. Tasmad Jata. Tasmad Jati. Jati is also used for Janma. Samana Janma, if you take, then Marana and all will come. So best is not to have Jati as Janma. Vastutah Paramatma eva. Mukhya thing is, it is Paramatma. Yavat. Iha iti aparokshanubhava gamya uktita. Gamyata uktihi. Iha is given where?
Bhashya last line.
Bhashya last line. Tad jati heva vibhakta iha dehendriyadi gahane. So iha means it is aparokshata anubhutah. Ukti gahanam gambhiram vanam. Everybody is vanachari. Everybody lives in forest only. Which forest? This Dehendriyadi Rupa Vanam. Asamsari, but Sansara Dharma Anuvartane, Sansara Dharmena Anuvartate. He is Asamsari, but acts like Samsara Dharma. So Sansara Dharma Anuvartane Hetu is given. Dehendriyadi Sanghata. Dehendriyadi Samsara Dharmam Anuvartate. He doesn't have Dehendriyadi Dharma, he follows Dehendriyadi Dharma. Dehendriyadi Sanghato Asmi, Krishaha, Sthulaha, Sukhi, Dukhi, iti. In Tika. In Tika now. No, that was the Pratika. So Paramatmatam iti is given. What is the reason why he takes himself as Sthula, Krisha, Sukhi, Dukhi? Paramatmatam ajanan atmanaha. Anvay will be atmanaha paramatmatam ajanan. Swasya brahmatvam ajanan. I don't know I am Brahma. Therefore I say I am Sthula, I am Krisha. In my buddhi, if there is constant understanding that this is Badhita, 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 you don't have to tell people. I was thinking this. Who ate food? My body ate food. Maharaj ji tells sometimes, my body is going to Kashi. Body is going to Sangam. Every time you don't have to tell. I should remember when I am in the initial sadhana stage, I have to constantly remind myself, this is body doing, not me. This is mind acting, not me. But you don't have to tell others. Like some Mahatmas, they sometimes use such expressions, but there is no need. So, Paramatmatam ajanan. Tika. Ukta vidya tatkarya virodhinim brahmatma vidyam lambhayati. How will you do samasa vigraha in the Ukta vidya? No, Sandhi vigraha. Ukta avidya. Anybody else? How Ukta vidya? How samasa vigraha?
Ukta avidya.
Ukta, avidya is Strilinga Shabda. Then Ukta will come, not Ukta. But that is Ukta. My question is Samasa Vigraha. Huh? No, not Bahuri. Karmadhare. Ukta cha asau vidya cha avidya cha iti Ukta vidya. That which is Ukta and that which is avidya. Ukta cha asau avidya cha iti Ukta vidya. Tatkarya virodhinim. Avidya tatkarya virodhinim. Avidya and tatkarya is together. Huh? What is Brahma Vidya or Brahmatma Vidya? Avidya tatkarya virodhinim. Brahma Vidya. Lambayati. Lambayati, 11 number. Prapayati. Acharya. Natvam etadatmakaha किंतु तत्त्वमसि. टीका. राजपुत्रस्य राजा अस्मि इति प्रत्ययवत् वाक्यादेव अधिकारिणी ब्रह्मास्मीति प्रत्ययश्चेत् कृतं विस्फुलिंगादि दृष्टांत श्रुत्या इति आशंका. Just like Rajaputra, when he is told you are Raja, just by hearing he gets the knowledge. Raja asmi iti pratyavat. Like that, Vakyadeva adhikarini ब्रह्मास्मीति प्रत्ययश्चेत अधिकारिणी कहा. अधिकारिणी is what is the pratipadika? अधिकारिन and what is the रूप? सप्तमी एक वचन. इन अधिकारी. अधिकारिणः प्रमिति जनको वेदः. दिस वाक्य you note down. अधिकारिणः प्रमिति जनको वेदः. Veda will produce prama for adhikari immediately. Tattvamasi Mahavakya, if he is adhikari, jnanam will take place. Anadhikarinaha, so they have to keep working. So adhikarinaha pramiti janako vedaha. So here prashna is this. For adhikari, if aham brahmasmi pratyaya takes place, then kritam means vyartham visphulingadi drishtanta shrutya. What is the point of those visphulingadi drishtanta? Right away you will get the knowledge. You don't need drishtanta. Purvapakshi is saying. Iti ashankyaha atra rajaputrasya rajapratyyavat ब्रह्म प्रत्ययो दृढ़ी भवति विस्फुलिंगवत एव त्वं परस्मात् ब्रह्मणो भ्रष्ट इति उक्ते विस्फुलिंगस्य प्राक् अग्नेर भ्रंशात् अग्न्यकत्व दर्शनात्. राजपुत्रस्य राजप्रत्ययवत ब्रह्म प्रत्ययो दृढ़ी भवति. दृढ़ी भवति can be समस्त पद. This is the chvi pratyaya if it is together. Otherwise also pratyayo strilinga. No, pratyaya is not. Dridhi bhavati is that only. Chvi sutra. Chaucha. Visfulinga what? Eva. You are bhrashta. Bhrashta from Brahma. Parasmat Brahmano bhrashta. That's why yoga bhrashta shabda is given. Yoga bhrashta is from yoga marga bhrashta. Here bhrashta is from sadhya. You are bhrashta from sadhya. Iti ukte visfulingasya. What is the prayojanam? Sintika. Tathapi katham brahma pratyaya dardhyam. How brahma pratyaya will become dridha? Visfulingasya praak agnehe bhramshat. Agnya ekatva darshanat. Visfulinga, before it came separated from Agni. What was it? Agni. Agnya ekatva darshan. No, not Agni. Agni ekatva darshanat. Agni ekatva. Agnya will not come because you need two matras. But samas you will have to do Agnina ekatva. Agni is pullinga. Agnina ekatva darshanat. In this way, vigraha you will. Tasmat in Bhashya ekatva pratyadardhyaya suvarna mani loha agni visfulinga drishtanta न उत्पत्त्यादि भेद प्रतिपादन परा. All these drishtanta of Suvarna, Suvarnamani, Loha, Agni, Visfulinga, ityadi drishtanta, they are not talking about Srishti. Even though in Purana and all you will find elaboration on Srishti Prakriya, that is not the Prayojanam. Pratipadanam is not of that. Pratipadanam is how you can love Bhagavan there. Like that here, Pratipadanam is how you understand you are Brahma. Not what came first, Akash came or Vayu came. What about Kala? Kala you didn't mention. It is good for when Buddhi has lot of rajas and it wants to know other things. Who is coming? Who is going? Where are you going? Where are you coming from? Then it's better you do all these prakriya. This came first, that came later, then Sattvagun, Rajogun, Tamogun, this. So at least I am filling my intellect with some Shastriya information, then Laukika information. Then when I cannot remember too many things, then first you let go of the other kachara that is there in your buddhi. See, that is unnecessary. At least fill here and then start loving Bhagavan, ask for more vairagya. Utpatyadi bhed. Because when you accept utpatti, then bhed will come. This is different because Suvarna. So all abhushanas are there. They are showing bheda. But immediately there it is given Mrittika ityeva satyam. Lohamani eva satyam in this. So oneness is what is pointed out and the karya is, what is karyam there? Vacharambana. Immediately it should come. Drishtanta in Tika. Drishtanteshu ekatva darshanam tasmad iti paramrishtam. Now here one point of discussion is the Rajaputra may understand when he hears once or twice that you are Rajaputra, you are not Vyadaputra. Okay, he understood, he went. How many times I have to hear I am Brahma? And still, what is the situation? So, what is this Drishtanta, Darshtanta, this Purvapaksha is always going to be there. He says, you are showing this Rajju Sarpa Drishtanta. One time you show Rajju Sarpa, you say, Nayam Sarpaha, Iyam Rajju. Over, I understood. Natvam Jivaha, Brahma Asi. How many times I will have to hear? So, what is the point in showing such Drishtanta if it has not even a remote connection with Darshtanta? Means what happens in our life. That's why that Adhikarini Pramiti Janako, Adhikarinaha Pramiti Janako Veda. I should be Adhikari, number one. Then you will get that both. Number two, when the Shastra says you are Brahma, and if I understand, that means I don't have Panchakoshas. So then samsara is what? That is samsara. Krishaha, Sthulaha, Dehendriya, Sanghato, Asmi, Sukhi, Dukhi. This is samsara. This kind of pratyaya that is arising in me, this is samsara. Samsara is not anything else. This pratyaya, if I am able to do badha, with the understanding, I am Brahma, I am not Sthula, Krisha, all this. I don't have kosha only. These are problems in the koshas. So, the one who is able to separate, I am Asharira, Ashariram Vavasantam, na Priya Priya Sprishaka. This understanding once I get, then whatever is required, if you can do, you do. Whatever you cannot do, or when you understand that no matter how much I do, the net result is going to be this only. So then you exercise caution to the extent it is needed and then let go. But this I should understand for myself. I should not go on telling someone who is Dukhi and say, you are not Dukhi, you are Brahma. unless that person is your shishya. That person is dukhi, they need some solution. If you cannot give, just pray for them. Saindhava Ghana, what this Swamadhanam Bhashyakar has given in Brahma Sutra. Huh? This is the Purvavaksha raised. Rajju Sarpa Drashtanta is asked there. And you always give Rajju Sarpa Drashtanta. Rajju Sarpa Drashtanta, we get knowledge within one attempt. How many people who have listened to Vedanta and are listening, they have understood? Show me. We are all good Drashtantas. डायरेक्ट क्या होगा? होगा. अपरोक्ष ज्ञानम होगा. It will take place. Only thing is for adhikari. Adhikari will get aparoksha, and through shabda only he will get aparoksha. There is no need of this mananam nididhyasanam is not for aparokshatva. Even though in Bhamati Matam that is how it is said. But in Vivaran Matam we say jnanam will be aparoksha, but it will be pratibadha. Means Devadatta is in front of you and you will think, no, this is not Devadatta. Devadatta, you are having aparoksha anubhav. He is in front of you. And you will think, no, this is not Devadatta. Devadatta is somewhere else. This is either you call Bhranti or you call Viparita Bhavana. To remove that, somebody has to tell again and again, and this is Devadatta. Until you get conviction. The paroksha jnana aapko hua. You think it is paroksha. What is paroksha jnana? Paroksha means there is Brahma. The teacher is not saying there is Brahma. What is teacher saying? Teacher is not saying there is Brahma. And teacher is not saying later you will become Brahma. What is he saying? Lat lakar. He is not using any other lakar, right? You are Brahma. So teacher is very clear in what he is communicating. Student, in his thinking, he constantly wants, no, right now it is paroksha. Teacher has not said. He insists that it is paroksha. So it is his problem, his limitation in correct understanding. So then what will teacher say? Teacher says, I am Pita, right? Shishya, I am Pita. Shishya understands this will become Pita. How this will become Pita? I have not said that. But Shishya wants to understand, no, later it will become yellow. What yellow? This is already yellow. Why you are saying later it will become? Because you are not grasping what is said. So it is not said Jiva will later become Brahma. Teacher is also not saying there is some Brahma. You are a Brahma. So it is aparoksha. It is very clear. Because my buddhi is so much identified with Deha. Deha, Indriya, Mana, Buddhi, whatever you take, or Bahya Padartha, that this knowledge is not getting in. It is my attachment. That's why earlier you see one very beautiful word came. Third line in the Bhashya. Hitva Eshanatraya. This is not happening. Acharyena Pratibodhita Hitva Eshanatraya. Then you understand you are not. Eshanas are some kind of attachment is there. All Eshanas are grouped here in 3. But you may say, oh, no, I have some other. It is in 3 only. It is my Tadatmya. So Jnanam has to be aparoksha, and Shabda alone will produce aparoksha Jnana. Like Dashamaha, Dashamastvamasi. So this is Aparoksha. So he should not understand, oh, some Dashama is there. If he understands some 10th man is there, he is understood partially. It is not that teacher has communicated Paroksha Jnana. Student has grasped partially. All this is explained in Vivek Chudamani. That is because of those Purva Vasanas, their attachment comes back. So again, I start feeling I am Deha, I am Manusha. That means this Jnanam has not become Dhrida. Then somebody says, okay, so therefore what you should do? Aham Brahmasmi, this kind of thing. This is Purva Paksha. In Naishkarma Siddhi and Upadesh Sahasri, there is Khandanam of this idea. Don't do this Aham Brahmasmi. You are on wrong track. So all Granthas and Acharyas, they have explained everything. Basically, what we have to do is, all those ideas, here also we saw this. Saindhava Ghanavat Pragnapti Ekarasa Nairantarya Avadharanat Ekadha evan Anudrashtavyam iti cha. After this Dundubhyadi Drashtanta, which will come, Dundubhi, Veena and Shankha. I think 3 Drashtantas will come in Maitreyi Brahmana. After that, Upanishad says, how is the Paramatma Saindhava Ghanavat? Means Vijnana Ghana. Vijnana Ghana means there is no other thing in that Paramatma. It is only Chaitanya Matra. Saindhava Ghanavat. So Pragnapti Ekarasa, Pragnapti Matra, Nairantarya. That Avadharanam is done by Saindhava Ghana Drashta. And Ekadha Eva Anudrashtavyam. Neha Nanasti Kinchana. This Vakya will also there. Ekadhaiva Anudrashtavyam. Number is there, might have given. 4420. Chakarat, Chakaro Avadharanat. Iti Padam Anukarshati. Chakara is for Avadharana. संगृहीतम अर्थम विवृणोति यदि च ब्रह्मणस् चित्रपटवत् वृक्ष समुद्रादिवच्च उत्पत्त्यादि अनेक धर्म विचित्रता विजिग्राहयिष्यता एकरसम सैंधव घनवत् अनंतरम अबाह्यम इति नोपसंहरिष्यत् एकदैवानुद्रष्टव्यम इति च न प्रायोक्ष्यत्. Both are lृंग लकार रूप. उपसंहरिष्यत्, प्रायोक्ष्यत्. उपसम उपसर्ग पूर्वक हृ धातु अहरिष्यत् लृंग लकार. मीन्स उपसंहार. श्रुति by saying apurvam anantaram abahyam. If there was vaichitrya in Jagat or in Brahman, chitrapatavat vriksha samudradi vaccha. Chitrapata has so many things that Chitradeepa is for this only. Vriksha has Swagata Bheda, Vijatiya Bheda, Sajatiya Bheda, all are there. That's why in Panchadashi that Drishtanta is given. What is the shloka? Vrikshasya Swagato Bheda Patra Pushpa Phaladibihi. सजातीयो वृक्षांतरात् सजातीयो विजातीयस् विजातीय शिलादितः वृक्षस्य स्वगतो भेदः 220 chapter 2 श्लोका 20 और 21 you can see. देखो पंचदशी है, रहने दो. तो it's there in what is it 220 15 215
20 Swamiji.
20. I know it is 20. Some websites they might have some mistake. It is 20. So if this vichitrata, aneka dharma vichitrata, if this was the objective of Upanishad to do grahana, vijigrahishata, then ekarasam, saindhava ghanavat, all this would not be given in the Upasamhara. Anantaram abahyam iti nopasambharishyat. And then ekadha eva anudrashtavyam, this also it would not give. Na prayokshyat. What is prayokshyat is tika. Ninda vachanam cha na prayokshyat iti. Nirvachanam of ninda vachanam. What is the ninda vachanam? Ekadevanu drashtavyam neha nanasti kinchana. So nana darshanam is ninda vachanam. See tippani number 2. Yad vacha nabhyuditam इत्यादि वांग मनसा अतीतत्व प्रतिपादक वचन समुच्चयार्थश्चकार है. Right? Second number टिप्पणी. After that, those mantras are also there. Yad vacha anabhyuditam, etc. In Brahadaranyaka, this mantra is there. Tathacha, ilkena, but it is there in Brahadaranyaka. Tathacha samudra tarangadehe iva ब्रह्म ज्ञापके सृष्टिवाक्ये ब्रह्मणो वस्तुतो अंशांशित्वात् इष्टं चेत् तदा तस्य वांग मनसा अतीतत्वम् अद्वितीयत्वं च तात्पर्येण श्रुतिः न ब्रूयात्. If the Srishti Vakya was given importance and Paramatma has Bheda like Samudra, Taranga, etc., means Amshamshi Bhava, then the Nigamanam would not have been, it is Vang Manasa Atita, because when there is Bheda, then how will you know Bheda? Through some Upakarana. So Vang Manasa Atitatvam Advitiyatvam cha Tatparyena Shruti na bruyat. In Brahadaranyaka you will see series of mantras like this essence of all Upanishads doing pratipadanam of everything. What is, who is Adhikari, how he should do Guru Upasatti, means Sadhan Chatushtaya will be taught. Sannyasa will be taught. Keshanatraya Tyaga. Sannyasa means both go together. Keshanatraya Tyaga and Paribraja. Then Jnanam, nature of Atma. Then Jivan Mukti. All of that is said everything in 4th chapter. Everything together. So that is what our Bade Maharaj Ji Tippanikar is referring to. So because Upasamhara is in this way and Nindavachanam is also there, therefore, what is the Nigamanam? Utpatti Sthiti Laya is not the Prayojanam of Upanishad. एकत्वस्य अवधारण फलम आह तस्माद् एकरूपे एकत्व प्रत्ययदार्ढ्याय एव सर्व वेदांतेषु उत्पत्ति स्थिति लयादि कल्पना न तत् प्रत्यय कारणाय. उत्पत्ति स्थिति लयादि कल्पना is not for understanding that there is creation, there is the world will be dissolved. That why Vedanta has come. Vedanta is for एक रूपे एकत्व प्रत्ययदार्ढ्याय. It is not said only ekatva pratyayadaadhyaya. What is said? Ekarupe ekatva pratyayadaadhyaya. Means because it is one, therefore you have to have that pratyaya. Bhinna rupe ekatva pratyayadaadhyaya, then what will happen? It will become upasana. That is not what it is, but I am doing this buddhi. It is not like that. In ekatva pratyaya. This is yathartha jnana. एकत्वस्य भेद सहत्वं वारयितुम् एक रूप विशेषणम्. एकत्व भेद सहत्वं. भेद सहत्वं means भेद सहिष्णु अभेद. Somebody might say that yes, it is eka but has bheda in. It is bheda सहिष्णु अभेद. So it is said no, it is not bheda सहिष्णु अभेद, it is abheda only. आदि शब्देन प्रवेश नियमने गृह्यते. We have seen this before. उत्पत्ति स्थिति लय प्रवेश नियमन. Paramatma having created then enters. So pravesh also you have to discuss. Then having entered, he does niyamanam, he is antaryami. So from inside, outside, both. उत्पत्त्यादि भेदो विवक्षिता. तत्प्रत्यय करणाय तत्शब्देन उत्पत्त्यादि भेदो न विवक्षिता. उत्पत्त्यादि भेद is not talked for having this understanding. Yes, there is srishti. तस्माद् वयं तत्त्वचिन्तकाः न तु
सृष्टिचिन्तकाः.
सृष्टिचिन्तकाः. माण्डुक्य भाष्य. सृष्टिचिन्तकानां तेषु आग्रह न तु तत्त्वचिन्तकानां. तत्त्वचिन्तक don't they सृष्टि has come and what is the purpose of creation? What is the karika? भोगार्थम सृष्टिरित्यन्ये क्रीडार्थमिति चापरे देवस्यैष स्वभावोऽयम् आत्मकामस्य का स्पृहा. आप्तकामस्य का स्पृहा. There is no स्पृहा. There is no प्रयोजन. किंच परस्य एकदेशो विज्ञानात्मा इति अत्र तद् एकदेशः स्वाभाविको वा स्यात् औपाधिको वा इति विकल्प्य आद्यं दूषयति. Then somebody may have a question. This Paramatma's ekadesha is jivatma. Okay. This ekadesha is swabhavika or aupadhika. So adyam swabhavika. In bhashya nacha niravayavasya paramatmano asamsarinah samsari ekadesha kalpana न्याया स्वतो अदेशत्वात् परमात्मनः. निरवयवस्य परमात्मनः. परमात्मा हु इज निरवयव असंसारी. संसारी एकदेश कल्पना न न्याया. न्याया व्हाट इज द सूत्र? धर्म पथ्यर्थ न्यायादनपेते. We have seen this. Dharma patyartha nyayad anapete. 4492. Yat pratyay there. Nyaya means nyayad anapetam. Not deviating from nyaya. Dharma pathi artha nyaya. Swato adeshatvat paramat. Paramatma doesn't have desha. Swataha adesha. अदेशस्य परस्य एकदेश संसारित्व कल्पनायां पर एव संसारी इति कल्पितं भवेत्. If अदेश परमात्मा is there, in that if you do संसारित्व कल्पना, परमात्मा will become samsari. You wanted to make jivatma samsari, परमात्मा will become samsari. So this was the vipaksha. Now dvitiya vikalpa is later. That we will see in the next session. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः. शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिनि व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः.